Hey guys, pardon the appearance, but one of the things we like to do, oh, let me get this key out. One of the things we like to do is collect all of our kids' junk, or not junk, I wouldn't say junk, but just clothes that they've outgrown, toys they no longer use, and we try to either donate them or sell them to consignment shops, which is where I'm at right now. I got bags of clothing. Look at this. Oh, huge bags. They usually like to have them in these bags or like those little bins that you get from like Target and whatnot. So I have about 3 of them. This is like years and years of stuff. When I say years and years, I mean like maybe like 5 years. So I'm here now and I am actually praying. I mean, usually depending on what you have, they like a lot of name brands. That's where you get the most stuff. Like if you have any like Ralph Lauren, even things like Gap, if you have those VTech toys, they tend to take that as well. And they pay you, I wouldn't say good money, but decent money as opposed to like the non-name brand stuff. Just a little tip there that I noticed. I can negotiate for a little higher, maybe like another couple dollars or so. So I'm heading in there and just pray for me, it's not a long wait. So there's like 7 people ahead of me, so I'm gonna probably be here a while, but while I'm here, I like to just go through some things. I mean, with Halloween not too far away, in the next few months, October, it comes around quickly. I like to look to see if like there's any like, you know, inexpensive like costumes and stuff that I can get for either one of the kids. Also like little knickknacks and whatnot. These are like gently worn clothing. So once in a while I'll see something that I really like and I'll just purchase it. But right now I don't see much of anything. I figure I'll do this while I wait. So yeah, I hope it's not gonna be more than an hour, but we'll see. It's gonna be a wait. I'm looking at about an hour and I just realized that I forgot some of the kids' coats that I wanted to get rid of as well. This is just like one of those ways that we try to protect the environment, if you will. Recycle, reuse, all that stuff. The other day, it's funny because the crib that both our kids use, I should say 1 out of the 2, because one never slept in a crib. Anastasia refused. She always slept in a full-size bed. Well, we decided to just get rid of it and we put it on the curb, and within, I'd say like a half an hour or so, this van pulls up and just takes it, and I'm just like, whoa, I didn't know it was that easy. Someone else needed it more, so I'm glad that that happened. I felt like weird like throwing it out and not like giving it to somebody or selling it or what have you, so we were happy about that. But at this point in the game, we are, it's kind of like one of those things where, I don't know, I just feel, I'm one of those things. If anything, if I don't give it away or sell it, I become a hoarder and I don't get rid of anything because I feel like, I don't know, it has to be used somewhere or another. Even if I'm not using it, it has to be used. So 1 hour later, how did I make out? I got about 50 bucks. Well, you probably are thinking like, okay, you got all the bags of clothes and you only got 50 bucks. Some of them they didn't take back. They're very selective in what they take, which I don't mind at all. They normally take just gently worn clothing. I bought this suit here. I didn't realize it had a rip. I mean, it's been worn like maybe twice. So they didn't take that. And a couple others like the coats and stuff and a few other things. But I think I made out great, and this will probably go to the kids, you know, put them in their piggy bank, put it towards college, whatever they want to do with the money, and you know, whatever, it is what it is, right? Hey guys, so I have a pretty jam-packed day. Well, not so much. I'm gonna have some time to myself, but before that I promised our son that I would go watch him play soccer. He's been playing for, I think, the last few months, so he really managed to open up, which is great. And then after that, I am supposed to be having some time to myself. Gonna get that pedicure or spa day. Good job, O'Shea. Kick it hard, hard. Kick it hard. Yes. Well, he did pretty good. I mean, considering. Just has to learn to stay focused, but at this age, you can't really expect them to be too focused, I guess. It's all about practice, right? I know absolutely nothing about soccer, so I guess Dad will be working with him a little bit more. I am heading off to the spa, have a nice pedicure that I am looking forward to. Nice needed relaxation. O'Shea, go to bed. You have to take a nap. Take a nap, or you don't have to sleep. Quiet time is fine. You are up all morning playing soccer. You went to the park. It's now time for you to go to sleep. At least a half an hour. Please go turn off the light. Come on.
Only 1 minute.
Oh, you sure you can't even tell time? Just go, please. Turn the light off. Don't even start crying. See you in about a half an hour to an hour.
I only want to sleep for 1 minute.
Just go upstairs. That was the best me time spa day ever. All I got was a pedicure, but it was enough. An hour and a half is all I need. So I guess while they take a nap, I'm just gonna chillax for a little bit. Lord knows I need it. Oh my God, it's like whether you're mom or dad, whatever, you need that time just to unwind and relax and just take time for yourself. It helps with my sanity. They don't really like taking naps anymore. I try to get them to as much as possible because of, you know, just to kind of give myself a break, give them a break. So an hour tops. So I'm just enjoying quiet time.